What's going on, guys? I just finished building my transmission, basically. Oh my god, this thing is different. So I did a crap ton of mods to this thing. Yeah, guys, so first mod I did, stage 4 competition clutch. Basically I was rebuilding the entire transmission on this car, so I replaced all of the bearings in the transmission, and I went ahead and while I was in there I threw in a wave track limited slip. Right away I can tell you guys the clutch is not that much stiffer. I wouldn't say it's like stiffer than stock. I would say it's about the same, a little bit stiffer than stock, but the huge difference is just how much grabbier it is. Along with those transmission mods, I went ahead and I threw in some innovative 75A billet mounts. Right away I could feel those. I mean, when I first started the car, it was basically vibrating itself quite a bit. It's not actually that bad driving the car. I did have motor mount inserts in here before, so wow, this thing grabs really hard. I kept the OEM flywheel in, so I didn't want it to be super race car. Okay, that feels a lot better. Oh, wow. Wow, that feels totally different. Whoa, this is totally different. I'm gonna roll up the windows. So I'm gonna try my best to explain this. On the open diff, the car feels I'm gonna say just loose. Well, not loose because it understeers. But either way, the car feels very like there's a disconnect between the transmission and the ground. Like, you know, there's just a buffer zone. Whereas with the wave track, I can accelerate and the car doesn't want to push, and when I get off the gas, it feels like the car wants to oversteer, if anything. Whereas in the open diff, it was very hard to get the car to oversteer. But it feels like the nose is like way more planted, even just through some not even very aggressive turns. This clutch feels fine for daily driving. It's not bad. I was able to let out there and I think that was first. I mean, I was rolling, so it's a lot easier, but canyons real quick here. All right, I'm gonna try to show you guys. This clutch is way more, like, it feels like bumpy when you're engaging. All right, guys, we're getting into some turns here, as you can see by my phone going sideways. I definitely feel that the car is more in tune with the road. I mean, I can push the car pretty hard and it feels pretty good. I'm gonna stay at, you know, low RPMs, take it easy on the clutch. Wow, the car feels really good. That turn felt so good. It was like, oh, with the camber of the turn, the banking of it, It's gross. Yeah, the car just loves the turns now. And I can even give it power through the turn. This wave track is what the car needed all these years. I've never been able to push the car like this through here. And when I let off, the car just straight up, it feels like the I grew up watching Top Gear and listening to Jeremy Clarkson say the car is cocking its rear leg like a dog, like a terrier. But that's exactly what it feels like. It feels like the inside rear wheel is you know, becoming weightless. Let's see how it feels on the downhill. Okay, it feels really noticeable, and I heard people say before that on decel is when you really notice the limited slip. But man, I really do. I mean, I have so much more grip. These tires are really good, these Nitto NT05s. But yeah, I just have so much more grip than what I'm giving the car, basically. Woo! I'm just trying to be as nice to the clutch as possible. But yeah, overall, very, very happy. Happy the clutch isn't super heavy, but still that it gives a really good feel and feels really sporty. Happy with the mounts, happy with all of it. Happy with how the car drives. I think this thing is ready for boost. I'm obviously gonna do more videos once this clutch is broken in. I'll do like some hard launches, see how it launches with, wow, that car was riced out. See how the car launches with the diff in, see if it makes a huge difference. Same with the motor mounts, get rid of wheel hop basically. When I took out my passenger side, the stock one, it basically fell apart in my hands. So yeah, probably gonna make a huge difference with wheel hop. And yeah, I'll do some videos launching the car. Basically just show you guys how this stuff works before I boost it. I'm fully ready to boost. Now the transmission is ready for boost. The clutch is ready. The fuel system has been ready. I got the 1050Xs for injectors. I got the AEM 340 LPH 50 1200. I think it's the part number, the fuel pump. This car is basically ready for the Craftworks kit, and that'll be the next thing I do to it basically. I have the tires for it, I have the wheels I want. This thing is ready for boost, so that's what we'll be doing. If you guys enjoy this style of video where I just drive around and stuff, the POV style, or hit the canyons and do stuff like that, I definitely want to make more content like this. Let me know by dropping a like down below if you enjoyed it. Other than that, I will catch you guys next time. Peace out.